Hello students, welcome to your tutorial period of science. Beta, we have discussed the lesson number 3, that is safety and first aid, and in this we were discussing about safety measures, right? Or the first aid, how we can give the first aid to different people who are suffering with some sort of problems. We have discussed fracture, we have discussed the burns in which there were severe burns, minor burns, and so on, right? So after that we are left with the topic, that is snake bite. Okay, as the name suggests, snake bite, it means the bite that is done by the snake. So snake bite is what? It is bite done by snake. Naturally snake is poisonous. So when a poisonous snake bites a person, right, like cobra is a poisonous snake, it bites a person, what happens? Poison will be injected into a person's body and it can be fatal also. When the snake bite a person, naturally जो भी snake का poison है वो person की body में enter होना start हो जाएगा. And what will be happening if the snake bite? This will be poisonous. It will be poisonous in nature. When the poisonous snake will bite a person, the poison will be injected into the person's body. And when it will be injected to the person's body, naturally the situation will be bad. It can be worse even. So what to do? What to do? This poison will be traveling to the blood, and from blood it will be traveling to the heart, to the lungs, and it will be fatal for the person. So we have to stop it. हमें इसको रोकना चाहिए. हम जब भी snake bite की कोई भी situation हो, we people, how we can give a first aid treatment to the another one, right? What to do? We can just ask the victim not to move, to be at its position so that the poison will not be traveling into the body. We can be wrapping that place. जैसे suppose if the snake bite is taking place at this place, and above that we should be binding a very tight cloth or any other thing so that the poison will not be spreading into the body. So these are such various techniques that we can follow or we can apply as a first aid to help that person out who is being a victim of snake bite. So here I am having my one previous snake bite video that I have made few months back. I will be sharing it with you so that you come to know with the pictorial representation how we can be helpful or how we can save a person who is a victim of snake bite, right? So let's have a glance with that.
Relax the person and remove the tight-fitting clothes as swelling may occur on or near the wound. Also remove the tight objects like rings, wristwatch, etc. Remember not to cut the wound as it will increase the risk of the infection. Do not suck the venom as it may also poison the helper. Do not eat or drink anything, especially the alcohol or caffeine, as it can increase your heart rate, leading in rapid spread of the venom. Wrap the clean cloth around the wound with the finger size gap and wrap it till top as much as possible. Remember, do not use a tooling kit as it will restrict the blood flow, and also don't use the ice on the wound as it can increase the damage.
So after the concept of snake bite, as you have seen, now I am having a concept of poisoning. This is the last concept of this topic or this chapter. Poisoning. Poisoning का मतलब क्या होता है? जहर का फैल जाना. Poison, जहर. So how the things can be poison? एक तो आपने snake bite देखा. Much more things are poisonous in nature. For example, they can be insect killers. राइट जो इंसेक्ट्स को मारने वाली दवाइयाँ होती हैं और जो हिट और जो ऐसी आप चीज़ें घर पे स्प्रे आउट करते हो टू किल द इंसेक्ट्स, राइट्स. दे कैन बी द डिटर्जेंट्स, soaps, detergents, right? Or and such other sort of medicines also. Medicines can also be poisonous. These are all the poisonous things. Naphthalene balls. What are the naphthalene balls? नेपथलीन बॉल्स जिसको आप फिनाइल की गोलियां बोलते हो, all these are very poisonous in nature. So if you see a child going near to these things, you should be avoiding him to go. आपको उन्हें रोकना चाहिए that they are poisonous. We should not touch them. If we touch them, we should be washing our hands properly. So this is a concept how we can be safe from such poisonous things. Okay students, so after this completion of the lesson, we are now going to discuss about the back exercises, right? So I am just giving you some hints in the back exercises. You can frame your answers as well. So if I read about on the page number 33 from the first question, why do accidents occur? Now naturally we have discussed why do accidents occur. You have given very beautiful answers, because we people are careless. When we are careless on roads, accident occur there. Because of our carelessness, accidents occur. So I have simply written, when we become careless, then accidents occur. Why? Because when we become careless. What are the causes of fire accidents? Now it is given on the page number 29 if I am not wrong. Fire accidents can be caused due to electric failures, it can be caused due to unsafe handling of the matchsticks, it can be caused due to LPG leakage. Number of things can be there. So where various causes will be electric failure and LPG leakage are the causes of the fire accidents. Third is, why should we follow safety rules everywhere? What is the need? To be safe, right? To help naturally if we are safe, we are aware of other people also. It's not about just we, so हमें दूसरों का भी देखना चाहिए. So to be safe, right? So why do we need to follow? To be safe. Safety rules are to be followed to be safe. Now coming to the science quiz. Name the injection given by doctors to treat the snake bite. Okay, which injection is given to treat the snake bite? The injection is given, that is anti-rabies injection. Okay, anti-rabies injection is given. So answer will be anti-rabies. Second, what is looped around the neck to support the fractured arm? Answer is sling. We have discussed. हम वो जो गले में ऐसे डाल के हाथ की support होती है, that is known as a sling. So third is, what should we use to put off the fire that is caused by petrol? Yes, we have discussed this thing that we should not be using the water. What should be used? The sand and mud should be used to control the fire caused by petrol. So when choice questions. Which of the following is poisonous? Answer will be insect killers, because water toffees are not the case. When a bone gets broken or cracked, it is known as fracture. Everybody knows this thing. You are aware of this term, fracture. In chemical burn, wash the affected area with. In the chemical burn, we should wash it with what? Water. Yes, we should washing it with water, not with Dettol and Bernol. When leg is fractured, we should tie a dash around the fractured leg. Just now we have discussed, that is what we have to tie, that is a sling. Okay, filling the blanks. The immediate help given to an person, जो victim होता है, जो हम उसको first help, immediate help देते हैं, what is called first aid. Yes, first aid is the correct answer. Use splint and sling in case of fractured arm. Sling वही गले में जो हम डालते हैं उसको sling बोला जाता है. Dash is useful in controlling fire due to electric short circuit. Answer is water. Most accidents can be prevented if we are careful. अब ऊपर उन्होंने पूछा था how accidents occur. Accidents occur because we are careless. So when accidents can be stopped? When we will be careful. Okay. So true and false. It is safe to light crackers. No. So answer is false. It is not safe to light the crackers. We should keep the medicines away of the reach of children. Yes, as you have studied in the poisoning concept, हमें medicines को दूर रखना चाहिए, because some medicines are not for children and they can be poisonous. We can use ice pack to reduce swelling caused due to sprain. Yes, ice pack is used to control the swelling. As we have discussed, when there is a sprain or twisting of any ankle or wrist, there is a swelling on that over part, and what to do? We can just apply this ice pack over that so as to reduce the swelling. So the answer will be swelling. You people should be completing this section A back exercises and revising full lesson. Then we will be covering up the next lesson in the next coming class. Okay, thank you all students.